So kunolil flex yekasa. Ngiyotshela wonke amachita wami ukuthi mawambona ambambe inkunzi. Ekapeka ne. Ngelanda lil flex ne. Mangiza naye la as soon as ningibona ngiphethe video Nita. Yeah, say prank nayi video yakuthola. Now budget abakaze. Nita ngizoza nangayo ngapha ne. Ngizonza plan man maybe size emakuleni or something.
I feel like boy when I'm sweet soft. Soft. Neti isakele yakho iye ngathi ya on. Yazi mina ngiyipoto la kuphi? La kuphi? Ngil bro.
Manje
awume kancane ngisikhuluma ananta enawo aniba ama yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What's good YouTube?
Bingo's danger.
Wamba name?
Yeah.
Okay. YouTube. So
So
kunolil flex. I'm top. Oh, it's about petrosificationalism. I'm back again with another pen. So kunolil flex yekasa abona customer. Yazi ngizomenzana. Ngizoyenza like ngifuna ukumprank. Ngithona. Ngiyotshela wonke amachita wami ukuthi mawambona ambambe inkunzi. Like lezi if ngiyohlangana namachita esikhoneni ngositshela. But umuntu engizomtshela like engazi ukuthi ni ngizomeka sure ukuthi Abathatha uye kumela umphathwe kahle inkunzi. So it's your boy petrosificationalism. I hope this video ihambe kahle. Danke.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Be free. I spend my time alone.
Ekapeka ne. Ngelanda lil flex ne. Mangiza naye la as soon as ningibona ngiphethe video Nita lil flex. Nita. Yeah, say prank nayi video yakuthola. Now budget abakaze. Nita ngizoza nangayo ngapha ne. Ngizonza plan man maybe size emakuleni or something. Nita. Yeah? Yeah, obvious ngizoza ngenyawo. Ja, danke. Legal. Eish. Sopaka kanjani? Hadi fanam. Okay, ngaphuma nami bro.
Yeah, bro.
Just document everything. Document what you can. Listen. Vegan, ne? Me, you need to listen to me. Don't tell me so ne? Yambona misi, umuntu ozohambela kamera. So, mina kama video but mina ngikatha not no. Mina ngikathi ngizovela naye size emakuleni.
Sisameno kama
la.
Yasho into zano.
Machozi ne. Yeah, machozi.
Yeah, sombamba YouTube ngasabi.
Yeah. Mina manzo as soon as nizombona ngayi nazi ukuthi it's go time. Ne? Yeah, mina ngizon signal done. Eh baba noni meke chingos. Noni meke ningajampisi. Stop. Okay guys. The flex is probably la give me ne. Yeah. Angifuna nje. Thingiphi nje akaze ngibonisa ikasla man. Manje shesha gijima ungizi nguzothini. Hello. Shesha chingos. Iphi insimbi yakho? Eh? Wena ba? Ye Italian. Aba mafetse hlula umuntu e1, ni 2. Ayi1. Ngiphuma na i1 ngizana emakhuleni. Nina nenza izinto. Yeah, ichicos watshele fun. Yeah,
Kids go.
No. Ngizana no emakhuleni. Sure. It's puzzling. Everyone has their morning ritual. I like to start my day with a couple of trades from Pocket Broker. I start by opening the charts, check simple strategies. It doesn't take more than 15 minutes, but it helps me into setting the rhythm of the day. Sometimes I earn just a little bit in the morning before I start my day. So guys, I'm about to open a trade. Let me show you real quick. So guys, as you can see, I'm about to, I think the market will buy. So let me buy. About double. See? Successful trades. It's very simple, fast. As you can see, everything happens on the screen. The best part about Pocket Broker, it lives up to its name. It's like a pocket platform that goes with me. I can use it on my phone when I'm on the go, or when I'm at home, I can just use my laptop. No restrictions, just connections, and then you can trade anywhere, anytime. On iPhone, I can directly add it to my home screen. Just tap share, add to home screen, and the Pocket Broker icon will pop up instantly. And for Android users, there's an app available on Play Store. But what I really like about this community, Pocket Broker trading is better when you're not alone. There's always someone, no matter the time zone, to share the trade idea or ask questions. The platform also has referral program, Pocket Friends. You invite a friend, they deposit, they get 100% bonus, plus a cancel loss up to $100, and you get $100 in your balance. The platform is intuitive with tips and tutorials for beginners. Withdrawals are commission free in your preferred currency. Everything is fast and simple. That's why Pocket Broker is perfect if you value freedom and mobility. Click the link in my description and don't forget to use my promo code PEDJUNE2 to get 100% on your first deposit. You can try it. See how trading feels when it's always with you. Verified accounts protect your funds. Only you can withdraw your profits. And the platform uses 256-bit SSL encryption, the same standards as major banks. Thank you for watching, and I wish you successful trades. What up, guys? Nah, the main man.
What's up?
Milflex. Let's introduce. Oh, bata.
What's good, Buffetto? It's a boy Flex. Check my YouTube channel out, Milflex RSA. I just pranked this Lani. I'm winning. I'm winning. Yeah?
How's life?
Life is great.
Zaki,
I'm pushing.
Yeah, my chance.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
superstar.
Yeah.
Who's that? Kaslog.
Kaslog.
Yeah.
Always.
Riverside.
Riverside.
Yeah.
What is the name of
hungry my boy.
So sinyang.
So guys, ngifuna kube yi-war between mina no Petro and see who's gonna win. So far I'm winning. Yakhumbula umshanga tour. Baba ngathi ngisinayo. Oh. You.
Now, don't go simple.
Dona, okay, asi-boxing match mina nawe. Ngikhombisa ukuthi ngakahle. Mina ngakugqoka.
Nami ngithange.
Mina ngakugqoka.
Yo. Mina singayenza nje
Yo. Aqala yami mina ngiyalwa boy.
Nami nya.
Ndika murwesa, ndika muthukula. Boy.
Nami.
I feel like boy when I'm sweet konyano soft. How soft boy. Neti isekele yakho iye ngathi ya on. Amuna. Ithi labantu abangaziyo ba comment ukuthi bengenza ngolo lo
Sportman. Wenza.
Wenza uma kancane mfana makapa. Yazi mina ngiyipotola kuphi?
La kuphi?
Lase Hill Pro.
Manje
Awume kancane ngiphethe iplaka yokugcina. Wena eHill Pro angeke ube free.
mina.
Yeah, eHill Pro. Uyasiqaba Anand.
Ini?
Is Anand.
Sisho sikhuluma.
Anand ba enawo aniba ama. Yeah.
Ebabukhulu
Yeah.
anibo umuntu wakhe.
Uthini?
Isingaki.
Awulayitanga Petro. Ezakho zilayitile awulayitanga. Awuna plug Petro. Uyangibona mina njani?
Yeah.
Uyangibona?
Unjani?
Ngimfishane,
Sure.
I'm tiny,
Sure.
ne baby face.
Sure.
Mara clever phela. Angeke ungenze nix. Uyazi ngizala ubani chana?
Uzala uba.
Uyazi ngipheka ubani? Awume kancane wena. Bazokutshela abaziyo, bazokutshela.
Na uthi lesen uthi
Anosituza ntwana.
Yeah.
Yo.
Senyazi. Nyama enhloko. Yeah. Sithi mina ngidla idola sasestradeni everyday.
Ubani ongadla wena mona?
No, wena udla ama
Wena
cornflakes.
ngicanga ukuthi ukhuluma ne cheese boy la.
Hawa,
Yeah?
udla ama cornflakes wena.
Ubani? Uyataka
No,
wena.
wena udla ama cornflakes mntana.
Happy. Mina ntwana yami ngi-self made. Yeah, ngingi yabona kwami le. Kwami yangikufihlela ikhona
Ama
izalo.
yabona kwakho mntanami.
Ngambeka. Khuluma mina.
No, mina.
Kwami kunezaka nepetro, ne?
Sure.
Mara mina macala ngifonile endlini, mina ngiyazenzela mfethu from ibrand yami loyalty, from ama iPhone sneaker, upgrader, from YouTube, from Facebook. Tena. Wahla.
Facebook.
Now you hustle kana. Ngikukhuthaza.
Nami ngikhuthaza. Yeah, thank.
Net boy is udinga mentorship.
For yani, okay, yeah, ntwana.
Mentorship.
Not le forex.
Estrata, udinga mentorship or umove yekasi.
No, mentorship estrata kanjani?
Man, we lost yabo. Beka wena
So,
manga move yekasi. Uzobe singi superstar ntwana yami. Thole apartment, cala ngaseJuzi or Newtown yana. 6,000 per month or 5,000 or 4,000. Achieve the sort. Achieve the sort boy. Yabona. Samba mina. Guys, comment down. Ubonile nami ngichiftile Juzi.
sure.
Khona. Yabona la uphuma khona. Kwela inzondo boy, chief. Ngithembe. La uphuma khona kucela inzondo unganohleka ntwana mara uzothi masuhleli or editha le video uzobona ukuthi kujeliva. Umuntu okhule naye ngeke akujabulele scheme. Vayo yohlangana nabantu mfethu abangakucazi. Yeah. Uzoba yinja. Ngithembe. Azwa.
Asinekas, okay.
Asva.
Okay, mpitho Rio, okay, I'm not okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
People are gonna guys comment down if like ngiringi vari. You think vele ngiringi vari. Yamthol. On.
Yeah. Yeah, Chicos. Hi, man, chicos. Ano? Fun.
Wenze, marubonile le nto kutshela yona mas.
Mara ngibakalethile ukuthi ama-cheaters in. Yeah, sure.
Khuleka on. Correct. Emfit. Ubonile marubonile le nto kutshela yona. With story sami ngesimene. Wena kasla munga Porsche.
Ubani?
We.
Ubani? Angeke. Angeke.
Yabona leza sehilas.
Okay,
If you are from Hill.
Zikufilisa kanjani?
Ziyabanda.
Boss, banda kanjani?
Bekumele zibandise mina zona ziyabanda. Emfethu.
Ngivavimbi.
Ubavimbi
bekumele kubayeki.
Oh. Afede mara balanda wena kuphela.
Balanda bani?
Why balanda mina kuphela yimi?
Because of Milka Sample.
Bekumele bakulande nawe. Yabona if bebasilande C2.
Yeah.
Izinto kana.
Yeah,
Bengizoshiva.
Inkinga lona timing kumele ngabe
Maya balanda mina kuphela hayi. Ngiyayifasa.
Otherwise mntanami sibonga ukubona
So far guys,
Lil Flex
comment down in this video.
Sure. Yeah, Tona yam. Ngangithola. So guys, yeah. Lil Flex. Pulled up on the boy.
Guys, listen.
Sasha,
If you still want to see us collaborate, comment down PF. P for Pedro. F. Capital letter P, capital letter F. Just comment down PF. You know, you wanna cook something.
and more English. It's your boy Petrosificationalism, guys. See you in the next video.
Shut up.
Thank you.
Danger in goes.